860 took off. No, that's not.
Alright, 737 MAX 8 Southwest is going to Boat New York. Alright, this is going to be a 737. But that's not going to be that's not the biggest plane. That's just 737 MAX 8. But that's not the biggest plane. That's 737 Southwest. American Airlines 737 is taking off to Chicago, and the other one, Delta is going to Seattle. 737 800. It's not the biggest plane. It's 737 800 Southern Country is going to Minneapolis. Korean Boeing 777F cargo is going to IC in Seoul. WestJet Boeing 777 is going to Calgary. It's going to be here for a second. 3, 2, 1, and then there he goes. There it is, the plane. Oh, that's higher than that. It's higher. Let's go to Latana. 177 is just going to Nashville. Here, 3, 2, 1. One's going to Kahului. It's going to Kahului. Airbus 321 Neo. Lufthansa Airbus 312 is going to Munich. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Look at